With the stroke of a pen, healthcare reform in the United States became law on Tuesday morning. By Tuesday night, the center of several lawsuits. Attorneys general from at least a dozen states are challenging the legislation in court. Attorney General Ken Cuccinelli from Virginia is one of the first.
The federal law overreaches the constitutional authority of Congress, particularly the Commerce Clause, which is what the Senate is relying on. Not buying insurance is not commerce.
South Carolina's Henry McMaster also filed a suit releasing this statement. The key question involved is whether personal freedom, state sovereignty, and constitutional law will survive in America for future generations. A legal challenge by the states appears to be the only hope of protecting the American people from this unprecedented attack on our system of government. At issue is whether it's constitutional for the government to force individuals to buy health care and force states to spend money on funding health insurance.
These are pretty serious challenges to the health care plan, and it really could throw it askew if the courts rule against it.
Some lawmakers argue that there are several legal weaknesses in the health care legislation. Many legal analysts agree. Others suggest the issue could make a soft target and could produce a landmark decision if the High Court decides to accept the challenges.
Being a student of the judiciary, my guess is more than a few federal court judges and more than a few Supreme Court judges in the end might be very skeptical of such a mandate.
The White House says it isn't worried about the lawsuits and that they'll most likely fail.
The law is not unconstitutional based on what these attorneys general are suing for.
In much quieter fanfare than Tuesday's event, President Obama signed an executive order stating that no federal funds would be used for abortions. That signature helped him to rein in the last remaining votes needed to pass health care legislation over the weekend. Colin Campbell, the White House.